Volvo 850 Foglight bezel cover thingy. I designed this cover for the Foglight if it's missing or something, because it's quite hard to get it. And you can download it from Cards 3D and 3D print it, or you can buy it from me. Hit me with a message. If there is enough demand, I'm gonna put it on eBay. It's made of elastic plastic, so quick video about how to put it in place. You grab it like this. This is the position. You position the top side of it like that. And then you go around. It's like a tire. There. And the hardest part is the end. Almost there. And back. And a bit of positioning. It's done. And here it is in its place. This is how it looks. So this is how it looks. Bye.